The body part of the informal letter goes to very friendly. These two steps are known as the heading part of informal letter. Warm, friendly message or sentence. Don't use any other strong ideas related to writing informal letter.
Temaribet, country. Temaribet, Lanta.
Hello everyone, this is Temaribet. Today we are going to discuss about how can we write informal letter in English by using the correct step or the correct format. First of all, what is an informal letter? Informal letter is a kind of letter one will write for different personal issues. Friendly letters, maybe invitation letters, maybe any other personal or friendly issues put in this kind of informal letters. So your words, the tone is very friendly. Okay, we don't use any formal word while we are writing informal letters. In addition to this, informal letter has its own step, which is by far different from the steps a formal letter has. Let's go to the steps of an informal letter must follow. Okay. Assume that this is the A4 paper or any kind of paper, whatever the color your paper has, whatever the shape your paper has, and whatever the picture or whatever the so-called the background your informal letter has. Okay. The first step at the top right corner is the sender's address. Okay. Sender's address. Okay, the sender's address. After the sender's address, you are going to use or you are going to write date. Okay, which means the first step in a formal letter goes to the address of the writer, and the second step in a formal letter goes to date. Okay, goes to date. And after the date, you are going to put opening salutation or greeting. Okay, greeting, or it is the third step, which is known as the opening salutation. Okay, you must use such kind of words while you greet the receiver, which means by saying hi, maybe you can use hello. Okay, we can also say dear or my dear, or we can also use dear mom. Okay, dear mom. Okay, and so on. We don't use a title for an opening salutation in the informal letter. The fourth step in the informal letter goes to the body of the letter. Okay, the body of the letter, and the body of the letter must be a paragraph like structure, or one maximum 2 paragraphs to put your personal message in this informal letter. And the words you are going to choose while writing the body part of the informal letter goes to very friendly, and it must show a kind of relationship between that person. Okay, and the first line in the body part must be warm, friendly salutation. Okay, warm, friendly message or sentence. Don't use any other strong ideas related to writing informal letter like a formal letter. If you remember about our discussion in a formal letter, the first line of the formal letter must be the reason why you write the letter. But here, in the informal letter, the first line of the body part must be friendly, warm salutation. Okay, which shows your relationship. The next one is clothing salutation. Okay, clothing salutation, which means step number 1, sender's address. The second step after the sender's address is date. These 2 steps found in the heading part of a formal letter. By the way, these 2 steps are known as the heading part of informal letter. Headings of the informal letter. Okay? And after the date, the third step is greeting, which means very friendly and which shows your personal relationship by say hi, hello, dear mom, maybe my dear, my love, and others. Okay? And the first step after greeting or opening salutation goes to the body part. And don't forget that the first line in the body part must show, or you are going to put friendly, warm salutation. Okay? Then the fifth step in the informal letter goes to clothing salutation. Okay? Clothing salutation. Okay? Salutation. In the clothing salutation, don't use your sincerely or your faithfully, but you are going to use some contraction or short forms to say or to put your final conclusion or clothing salutation. For example, by, maybe, okay? Maybe you are going to use with love, okay? With love, okay? Or some other very informal clothing method of informal communication between you and the other party, okay, the other guy. And the last step, which means step number 6, is the sender's signature or the sender's name, okay? Sender's name, okay? Name or signature, okay? Signature. In the sender's name or in the signature part, you can use contractions, nicknames, and some other very important short forms, okay? Which means like your friend, okay? Your friend, like Ella, if the person name is Elias or some other nicknames. So we can use contractions while writing informal letters. Guys, let's see sample informal letters. Box 4567, Gondar, Ethiopia. This is the sender's address. 90416. This is the date, which means the second step. Dear Ahmed. This is the opening salutation or greeting. Now we are going to the body part. How are you? I'm writing to tell you about my summer. It has been really fun. I have gone to visit the castle several times, and I have visited several of my friends from school. Next week, I'm going to Gorgora beach with my family. This is the body part. How are you? Look, this is the first line on the opening salutation, which has warm, friendly tone. I'm writing to tell you about my summer. It has really been fun. I have gone to visit the castle several times, and I have visited several of my friends from school. Next week, I'm going to Gorgora beach with my family. This is the body as I told you earlier. I hope you are having a fun summer too. Your friend, this one is the clothing salutation, Andargi. Now this one is the name of the writer. Great. I hope you found this example helpful for the previous discussion on the informal letter. Let me paraphrase the overall idea using these very important steps, okay? So informal letters are letters one will write for different purposes, maybe for personal uses, friendly uses, invitations, and any other messages of this daily routines or any message, okay? So the first step in the informal letter goes to sender's address. You are going to put date after the sender's address. That means the second step in the informal letter. These two steps are known as headings in the informal letter. Then greeting or opening salutation is the third step, which comes or bends the date, okay? Which founds at the left right corner. And the body, it is the message of the informal letter, and the first line of the body must be friendly, warm salutation. And clothing part, that is the clothing salutation, you are going to use short words or contractions, or we can also use nicknames, okay? while you are clothing the letter, and the sender's address or signature is the last step. Thank you for now. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please follow our official Telegram, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok channels for more updates. For now, bye.